How to make a Nexus mode account. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Go to your Chrome or any of the website available and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, you may just go over and then search for Nexus modes. So once you find the Nexus modes official site, which is this one right here, www.nexusmodes.com, tap on it and you will be taken to their official site with different options available and a sign in option in the top right corner. So go ahead and tap on that option. And once you tap on it here, it will give you an option to either log in or register. So since we are creating an account, we're gonna go ahead and tap on this register option. After you tap on it, it will take you to the page right here. So we can start by entering up our email address in this email address box right here. So just go over and do so. And once you enter it up, you can verify your email. Tap on this option called verify email. And you may just go ahead and wait for some seconds. And there we go. So for now, just go over and enter it up. And you need to even verify this captcha. So just go over and do so. Once you go ahead and verify the captcha here on the second process, you need to go ahead and verify your email address. So go ahead and enter up the code, 4-digit code, and then tap on this verify email option. After you go ahead and tap on this verify email option, you need to start by creating up your username. Just go over and tap on your username, type in your username and create a password. So go ahead and create up a password, and right below it you need to confirm your password in this box. After that, you just need to go ahead and agree to receiving the news and information from the Nexus modes by email, and also agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. So just go ahead and do so first. And then just go ahead and tap on this option called create my account. After you just go over and tap on it here, I'll just go over and tap on it. And there you go. Now you just need to go ahead and look out for the subscriptions. So start by yearly subscription or monthly subscription. After you do so, you need to provide in your payment details such as your card number for your card or your PayPal ID number as well, and go ahead and tap on the subscribe now option. And once it is confirmed, your account should be created for Nexus modes very easily, quick and easy. And then you can go ahead and access the website that way. So that is it, everybody. If you'd also like to go ahead and make a Nexus mode account, this is the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.